Okay, Adam, you are saying when you are tier bidding, how much more will you bid for exact versus phrase versus broad modified versus broad? Is there a cost percentage to consider? Great question, and I'm glad you answered that. You asked that. Exact is my golden nugget keyword. I don't want to lose out on that because if I'm selling or I'm offering California property management and somebody has searched for California property management, I want to show my ads. So the most I will bid would be for exact match keywords. That's my personal opinion. Others may disagree or they may have their own ways of bidding. But for exact match, I don't want to lose out on the keyword and I would bid and be very aggressive. The least bids I would do would be broad because broad is going to pretty much eat up all your budget without any problems whatsoever. Unless you have got a very good negative keyword list, then it is going to really hamper your campaigns. And when I do mean by when I say that bid aggressively, I don't want to bid way too much that I'm paying over the odds and my target cost per acquisition is getting out of hand and out of control. And the phrase and the broad modified are pretty much kind of like brothers and sisters. So you can see if you are getting great results or better results with phrase, then yes, you don't want to lose out on the search impression share because now obviously we don't have average ad position in Google. The only way you can see whether how competitive you are on your bids is by looking at the search term impressions or the ad rank lost. And if you can see that there is an impression or market share to be gained, then up your bids and you just keep bidding up and improving it. And if you find that as you are bidding more aggressively, although your CPCs are going high, you may also find that you are getting more conversions. You are getting entered into the premium auction in Google Ads, and hence it's resulting in better conversions. So as long as your campaigns are profitable, then you keep bidding aggressively and beat your competitors all day long.